Hello and welcome to day 10 of our Advent calendar. My name is Krista and I'm really happy that you're joining me today. We need to open up box number 10 because today is December the 10th and we need to open up the box that coincides with that number. So I'm going to have a peek because I really don't know which one number 10 is, and we will see what we're going to open up today. That's 11. That's for tomorrow. There it is. All right, so we have a box that looks like an apartment building, maybe? Some sort of an apartment building. So let's open it up and see what's in. Come on. Try not to wreck the boxes. It's not a big deal if I do, but here we go. Let's open it this way. Oh boy, guess what? Oh, okay. I'm not sure what these are. Let's have a look and find out. So I'm going to put this back in here. These, they have liquid in them. 0.5 millimeter Hanabc, Hanabc. It's got, I don't know for certain, but like looks like Japanese or Chinese writing on it. I can't read what it says. So I'm going to bring in my trusty sticky notepad. It's got liquid in there. So can you see that? See how it's moving? And so there's a black and a blue. And they have, let's see. Okay. Oh, wow. Those are nice. So these are ink pens, I guess you want to call them that. They have, there we go. They have beautiful, I love the, can you even see what I'm doing? Sorry. I was just playing with the pens. So they have beautiful ink that comes out. These would be wonderful for doing like little ink drawings. I really like, especially this blue. I really like that one. And it's dry already. I'm going to test that. So I'm just going to write my name. Put the cap on it. Okay. Apparently you do need to let them dry because it's wet. So it's not like a pen. See how it's kind of smudged now? If I let it sit for a minute or so, it dries and then it doesn't smudge. So that's a good thing to note, that if you're going to be using these, you want to be careful that you're not going to be smudging them. Now, if you're left-handed, because you write left to right, so if you're right, your hand is going away from where the ink is. But if you're left-handed, you're going to have to be very careful that you don't smear it as you're writing, because your hand will be pulling through that ink. But these are very nice. I think in that little book that we got the other day, that little green one that I'm going to make into a, like a daily, I don't know, like a daily little scribble, a doodle, a drawing, a whatever I want to call it. These would be great for that. I think that paper would bode well with this. So it's something that we can use in the future. So again, I got a blue and a black. And I think I'm going to enjoy these. So far, we've gotten a lot of different types of markers and mainly different markers. A few crayons. There. Oh, I didn't have that snapped all the way shut. There we go. But a lot of markers, and that's okay. I mean, it's not, you can never have too many markers, and so far there are different types of markers. And now these, I think, will be an interesting addition to, again, into my craft room, into my day-to-day craft world that I live in. and I can use it for different types of crafts. Now my granddaughter is quite the little artist. She is 15 now, and she, oh my goodness, she can paint, she can draw, she has done acrylics and chalks and felts and markers and oils and all the stuff. This is what she really has a passion for. So I can't wait to start showing her some of these markers and stuff that I've been opening up, because I think she will really enjoy them. And you know what? I can probably learn a thing or two from her about some of these things. Or maybe this grandma can teach her a few things. Wouldn't that be neat? So fun, fun, fun. Another great tool to have in my craft room. Thank you again for joining me today on Krista So Crafty. You have a great day.